Welcome to the fourth program in the Electrical Test Equipment series. In this program, we shall discuss and demonstrate how to use and read two test instruments, namely the voltage probe tester and the earth leakage tester. During the program, you will be given time to discuss with your course controller and to perform practical exercises using test instruments. Let's begin then, as we first consider the so-called voltage probe tester, sometimes known as a live line tester. The principal function of this instrument is to establish the existence and value of voltages at supply points. This is achieved by probing the live and neutral points of a circuit with the metal probes of each heavily insulated handle. Built into one of the handles is a voltmeter, which on this model reads either as AC or DC voltage, the yellow scale being AC and red being DC. In the other handle is a neon indicator lamp which glows in the presence of a voltage. Also contained in this handle is the activating switch. Depressing the switch activates the spring-loaded indicator of the voltmeter. Let us demonstrate the tester application in a typical 3-pin socket outlet, which we shall assume has been wired correctly. If the socket has a protection shield, insert a non-metallic probe into the earth socket to open the live and neutral sockets, then switch to the on position. Insert the neon probe point into the live socket, that is the right-hand socket from your point of view. The voltmeter probe is inserted into the neutral socket. Observe the neon indicator. This will glow, but only if there is a voltage present. We now know that a voltage is present. Press the activating button and the voltmeter will be activated. At the same time, you will feel the tester vibrating. This only happens with an AC supply. The voltage value is read off the AC scale in line with the white indicator flag. Do not assume that a socket is dead if the neon indicator does not light up. What you should do in this case is take your probe tester to a socket that is known to be working. Using this socket, check that the indicator light is actually functioning. In other words, test your tester before condemning a PowerPoint. The instrument may also be used to check three-phase supply, which employs the 4-wire system. In such a system, there are 3 live phases and 1 neutral. Testing between any live phase and neutral should yield a reading of 220 volts. However, testing between phases, that is between red to white, red to blue, or any combination excluding neutral, you should obtain a 380 volt reading. On no account should you test distribution board circuits unless you have received the necessary training. A few pertinent points regarding the safe usage of probe testers are now in order. Always use a non-conductive probe to open a safety guard on sockets. A plastic or wooden probe is safe to use. The tester should always be held by its insulated handles. Never let your fingers contact the probes. Always keep the probe points away from your body. Carry the tester in your hands. Don't hang it around your neck, as this could lead to an accident. At this time, we shall break off to allow you time to practice using your probe tester on projects allocated by your course controller. After the break, we shall continue by demonstrating the earth leakage tester.